Douglas! We got stuff! Stuff we got! Oh, there's so many goodies. Oh, my big goodie. It's like Christmas, Douglas. It's like Christmas. Oh, boy. We don't care about really this stuff. Amazon. This is for the F-150. But this! Oh, if you know, you know. Okay, 1 second. Stuff! Douglas, you gotta care. This is sharp. Move your snout. You don't know how long this has been on my Safari page?
Long time.
Long time. Oh, wow, this is... They stapled it. And taped it.
That's nice.
Like, for who?
It didn't break or bust open.
Oh, we have no idea.
Yes, we do.
I'm gonna get a scratch and dent discount.
You're okay.
Ah! That's what my car's gonna sound like.
It does look good.
Ta-da! Oh my god. Oh.
It does look really cool.
Get out of the box. I must feel you. Oh, this is so fucking cool. Yippee! Surprising, and this is, I mean, granted, I get there's like huge bricks in here, but this thing's heavy.
Is it cast iron?
No, it's billet aluminum. Aluminium for the losers across the pond. Okay. Okay, so this one, not as exciting, but still exciting considering that I ordered this thing almost 3 weeks ago and it got lost, apparently, even though it never got shipped. So I don't know how they lose something that's still in their building, but, or, you know, maybe just slap another label on a different one so that way I could actually get it on time. Nope, they wouldn't do that, but this one, hold on. Our second half of this. Ta-da! It's actually pretty nice. However, you know, for the money, you'd figure that they would kind of clean this up. But looks quite nice. Got all the hardware down there. Oh. So excited. As you saw, we got our super fancy Kong Performance Gen 3 billet supercharger lid. Taking off the old one right now. Kind of gotten some of the stuff stripped off. You know, for $3,000, I was hoping that it would come with a supercharger gasket. I was wrong. I guess, you know, screw me, but at least we can kind of test fit it. I can use the old gasket for test fitting. Obviously, it's probably not going to seal, so we're not going to use it. It's a, you know, $50, $60 parts or whatever. It'll be here in a few days, but let's get cracking, yank this old one off, and kind of test fit this one and start getting the plumbing going. Ooh, baby, she's looking spicy. This thing is, it just looks so good, honestly. Like, you kind of just want to like not run a hood with this thing. It just looks so nice. So it's just kind of finger threaded in there, just a little, not even finger tight, just starting a few threads in there just to kind of get a nice seal, obviously over the intake. I don't think I'm going to be putting this thing together, obviously, tonight, considering it's warm in the morning. I didn't consider this. So I had this routed up above, which I guess I could still do. It's just a little bit, I don't know. I know there's like other options for throttle bodies, or not throttle bodies, throttle cables. However, I really do like that I can retain the cruise control. In these, it's almost like a mechanical cruise control, obviously, because I've got a throttle cable instead of a drive-by-wire. So, but man, oh god, this thing looks so good. I can't wait to hear this thing fire up. I know it's probably going to need a nice little retune. Oh, it just looks so good. Bam, bam, girl. Anyway, oh god, it just looks so good. I'll figure out the plumbing in a little bit. We do kind of the poor man's way for now. I'm going to do a Y on like the inlet, and then obviously a Y on the outlet. Instead of running 2 supplies and 2 returns, all throughout the car. But yeah, she's kind of situated for now. Just, oh god, it just looks so good.